I will show you how you can add more members or users to your Shopify store and then give them different permissions or roles. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan to have your store ready. So I want to let you know about a very special offer to get Shopify for very cheap. As you can see, you can get any plan of Shopify for just €1 per month for 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally is almost €400. But with this special offer, I just got it for €1 per month. So if you want to use this offer, I will leave the link on the description below, and you just need to click it and create your account on Shopify normally. And after that, you will get 3 days of a Shopify free trial completely for free, so you don't need to pay a single cent. And after that, just get any plan you want and you can cancel at any time. So once you have your Shopify store ready with a plan, you need to go to settings, and then right here you shall find users. So click right there and you will find the full list of users of your Shopify store. In my case, it's only me, but if you want to add more users, just click right here and you will find different options. So you will need to put their emails right here of the new member you want to add. Then you can assign a role. So there are some pre-made roles like administrator, app developer, online store editor. So you can click on any of those and you will see all the permissions that you will be giving that user. So in this case, for example, for the customer support role, he will get access to all this information right here, but they won't have permissions to any of those. So you can also create a custom role. I'm going to remove this one. You can create a custom one by clicking right here and then just put in a name, a description, and set the custom permissions that you want to assign to that specific role. So after you have done that, you can select if you want the 2-step authentication to be required or not. So this way the user must use the 2-step authentication. This is to prevent someone from stealing their account and then probably having issues on your shop. So after you have configured everything, just click on save. And they should see something like this where they just need to accept the invite and they will get access to your store. So whenever you want, you can also suspend them, reactivate, or remove them from your store. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.